What a wonderful world.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mansi and I create content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you are interested in all sort of a genre, please do consider subscribe to my channel. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है huge Amazon makeup haul. Recently I have shopped a lot from Amazon website in terms of makeup. मैंने पूरा full face of makeup ट्राई किया है विद द ब्रश टूल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड व्हाट डिड आई शॉप, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. दिस इज अ ह्यूज डब्बा गाइज विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम अमेजोन. इसमें मैंने सारी चीज़ें एक ही बॉक्स में डंप कर दी है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फेस थिंग्स विच आई गॉट. The first thing which I can see in the box guys is this Swiss Beauty concealer. I am in the shade medium. This is a very affordable concealer. I got this for 150 rupees only in some sale. It comes with a very nice doe foot applicator. This is how the product looks like. Comes with the doe foot applicator. इसका coverage भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा medium to buildable coverage है, काफ़ी lightweight है. This is one of the dupe for NYX coverage concealer. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. इसमें एक 5 to 6 शेड्स अवेलेबल है, सो यू कैन मिक्स एंड मैच एंड मेक योर ओन शेड. आई एम इन द शेड 05 मीडियम मोइन, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस अप. अफोर्डेबल कंसीलर में ये बहुत अच्छा. नेक्स्ट अप आई वांटेड टू ट्राई डिफरेंट फाउंडेशन विच इज नॉन वेरी वेल नोन एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट इज फ्रॉम द वेरी रेप्यूटेड ब्रांड. सो आई वांटेड टू ट्राई द Rimmel London foundation. This is how the foundation looks like. You can see I have taped it up with the lot of things. I received the damaged product. इसका कैप का जो पंप है वो भी मिसिंग है एंड नीचे से भी पूरा ब्रोकन आया था. तो यू नो I have to place a refund request for this, but I kept the product because the product is exactly nice and the shade is exact match. मैंने online shade purchase किया था but फिर भी मुझे proper match मिल गया luck by chance. And most importantly I got this for 50% off. This one I got for 350 rupees. The original MRP is 799. इसका coverage medium to buildable coverage है. You get a pump right here for the nicer application, but obviously I do not have a pump. It is a damaged product, so I just open it like this and it comes with something like this and I'm using that way. The coverage is extremely nice and buildable, and if you get your right shade, it's really good. It comes with a very nice variety of shade range. It comes with a 12 to 13 shade guys, so you can definitely find your exact match. I am in the shade True Beige. I am in the shade Classic Beige if you are interested. This is really nice. I am NC 35 to 40 depending upon the tan. So this is the shade which is matching me the most. The coverage is superbly nice. You can definitely try this out. Next up which I got is a blush guys, and this is also from the brand which is not very well known on the YouTube. This is from the brand Debro Milano. This is how the blush looks like. You can clearly see I got a many damaged product, but ये blush काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. I will fix it up with the fixer and use it, but I did got a refund for the same. I got this for 150 rupees. ये भी मुझे काफ़ी 50% ऑफ में कुछ मिल गया था. I am in the shade Biscuit in this. ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा मॉवी पिंक टोन ब्लश है. मैं इसको बिल्कुल ओपन नहीं करना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज ये पूरा हर जगह फैल जाएगा एंड इट विल बी अ मेस. I will make a tutorial with all the products which I bought from Amazon, so stay tuned for next up I got another concealer guys from the brand Makeup Revolution. This is how the concealer look like. I am in the shade C10. This is the shade this is my exact match in terms of foundation as well, but मुझे concealer नहीं था मेरे पास C8 था which was very light and it was a highlighting shade, so I end up getting this one. This is also in the doe foot applicator. Let me try and open it for you guys. It comes with this doe foot applicator like so. This is the exact dupe for Tarte Shape concealer. इसका कवरेज भी काफ़ी अच्छा है एंड यू गेट दिस फॉर 1/4 ऑफ द प्राइस. आई गॉट दिस फॉर 450 rupees and Tarte Shape is for 2500, more than that if you get it in India. So you can definitely try this out. Got a lipstick from the brand Rene. इनका लिपस्टिक काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो गया है. This is how the lipstick looks like. This is a trusting lipstick. I really like it. It is made me remind of the pencil which I used to use in the school days. This is how the lipstick looks like from inside guys. You get a total of 5 different shades right here in a one lipstick, which is a good. If you want to carry just one lipstick, just carry this and you're good to go. यहाँ से आप this is how you open the lipstick and you can see the lipstick is right here. And if you want to try a different shade, you just have to pull this. Okay, if you want to try the next shade, you just have to press it from right here like this, and the lipstick will come up. Then remove the top layer and then press it from here. This is how it is. It's super cool. I at least played with this like 15 to 20 minutes when it came, and मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ये लिपस्टिक. इसका coverage is bomb.com. I will swatch all the 5 shades for you. This is how the shade looks like. This comes with total 5 different shades, guys. You get mauve, pink, a light nude color, peach color, and you know, pinkish also. So I'll swatch all the 5 shades for you. This is how the first shade looks like. This is one swipe application. बहुत ही प्रिटी सा मॉवी पिंक कलर है. बहुत सारे इंडियन स्किन टोन्स पे बहुत अच्छे से दिखेगा. दिस इज हाउ द रेड लुक्स लाइक. You can see this is a tomato sort of a red. It's not a cherry red, but peach nude as well, which is my favorite shade, obviously. This is how the peach nude looks like. Red, मतलब जो रेड ब्लू टोन रेड होता है वैसा है ये वाला. दिस इज हाउ द रेड लुक्स लाइक. एंड द शेड इज द पिंक न्यूड, विच इज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल्स फेवरेट. सो you can definitely this is how the 5 different shade looks like, guys, on my hand. It's extremely pigmented lipstick. ये बहुत ज़्यादा long lasting है कि नहीं, I am not sure. This is the first time in swatching it. This is not a transfer proof lipstick, but it will stay on your lips for a long time. ये बहुत अच्छे से hold कर जाती है, बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. मैंने एक बार use किया है इसका एक shade, so I have used this shade on me, and it looks extremely nice. This is what I'm wearing at the moment also. It's really nice, and you can see I've been wearing it for 1 hour and it's not smudging anywhere. But I know you have to try it for 5 to 6 hours to give it a full review. I will definitely update you on this, but so far I really like it, and I like the packaging. It's very compact. If you want to travel with one lipstick, just carry this and you're good to go. Really nice. They have come up with a different variety also, but this is the first edition which they got. I really recommend this. Definitely try this. I got the eyeshadow palette, which is You Can Be. If you type eyeshadow on the Amazon, this is the first one which pop up, and I wanted to try something different which I don't own, which is like rainbow colors or something. That's a trend of 2021, I believe. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like from inside. The outer packaging is super cute and super summery, you know, like there have fruits बना है and all that. बहुत ही pretty सा लग रहा है ये वाला मुझे. And You Can Be is a very known brand. ये बिल्कुल मतलब low quality brand नहीं है, guys. You can definitely try this out. यहाँ पे you get this plastic sheet to cover the lid, and then you get the good quality mirror where you can see me. And this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like, guys. You can see it's extremely gorgeous. You get all the rainbow color, you get a different sort of a shimmer. At the same time, you get a good amount of black, yellow hair, different purples hair, blue hair, green hair, you know, good number of neutral colors as well. And I am dying to try this palette from so long, and I'll make sure I'll put the video with the review of this palette super soon. The palette is very well balanced as per my understanding. It comes with a lot of nude colors, at the same time good amount of balance of you know, colorful colors as well. बहुत अच्छे से well balanced shades you can see. It's really pretty, you know. It's like lavender and everything. Bomb.com. It's cup swatches because it's tempting. I have not even touched it because I wanted to try it on camera. So we'll swatch yellow because yellow is very difficult to make. Wow, the pigment is good, guys. We'll go with the lavender and the pink. You can see on my hands also it's picking up really nicely. I'm gonna swatch it right here. You can see the color pigment is really nice. I'm a very good yellow undertone, so that's why yellow is not popping on my hands. I'm so sorry, but it will surely pop it on eyes if you conceal it nicely and put up a nice primer underneath. It is gonna look extremely nice. The shimmer shade is also nice. This is a dewy, बहुत ही pretty लग रहा है ये वाला color भी मुझे बहुत सही लगा. This blue is extremely good. कैन सी बहुत अच्छे से पॉप हो रहा है वाला. Wow. The color pigment, I'm definitely happy with the pigment, guys. You can definitely try this up. I wanted to try extremely affordable brushes for you guys, and the affordable brushes on Amazon is like 50-50. It's like try and error sort of a thing, but ये brushes मुझे काफी ज़्यादा सही लगे. I got shade of 12 and it comes with this plastic, and हर एक के अंदर भी इसका single plastic है. The brush holder looks like this. Isn't it gorgeous, guys? It's बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है. You can see मतलब कितना pretty है. Most importantly ये बिल्कुल भी flimsy नहीं है. यहाँ से इसके जो it's not losing it at all. It comes with the flat top and the bristles are extremely gentle on your skin. Very nice. It comes with this purple top, and this is how the looks like. It is this rose gold detailing over here. I got total of 12 brushes. Out of 12, I think 4 brushes are this face brushes. This is a contour brush. This is a powder brush, or you can use this for a blush. This is also a contour brush, and this is a flat top foundation brush. बहुत सॉफ्ट है, बहुत सॉफ्ट है. यू कैन डेफिनेटली यूज दिस अप. इनका बिल्कुल ब्रिसल वगैरह निकल नहीं रहा है, विच आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. एंड द क्वालिटी इज सुपर स्टडी. बिल्कुल मूव नहीं हो रहा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस आउट. दिस इज हाउ द 4 brushes of the face looks like. And in total I got 6 of eye brushes. So this is how the eye brushes looks like, and it's all in the plastic. I have not removed it yet. You get a 2 to 3 blending brush, one smudger brush, one angle brush, and one flat top brush. This is really nice. You can definitely use this up. The quality of every brush is nice. It's really nice. बिल्कुल इसका flimsy नहीं लगा मुझे कोई भी एंगल से. रोज गोल्ड वाला यहाँ से ही वो निकल जाता है, ये बिल्कुल वैसा नहीं है. बहुत ही अच्छा है. You can see this is the angled brush, the fluffy angle brush. Very nice. Very nice. And बहुत अच्छे से बैठ जाएगा ये, मुझे लग रहा है. मतलब this is a very good shape for the eyes. I got one fan brush, and this is for highlight or so. I got this very cute fish shape brush. It's very precise to do the nose contouring right here, or you can cut your jawline like this. बहुत ही मुझे क्यूट लगा ये वाला ब्रश. बहुत सही है, एंड ब्रिस्टल बहुत अच्छे है, बहुत सॉफ्ट है. Definitely I am highly recommending this brush kit. Also, I got this silicone applicator. I don't know how useful this is, but I've never used this silicone applicator for foundation application. I will definitely use it up and let you know, but I might not use this. But in terms of brush, I really like every brush. कोई भी brush मुझे damage receive नहीं हुआ है, and इसके bristles बिल्कुल नहीं निकल रहे. So you can definitely try this brush set. I got the brush set for 600 rupees. For 600 I get 12 brushes with the silicone applicator. Not a bad deal at all. You try the fake lashes for the longest time, but I do not have the guts to invest in like 150-400 rupees one eyelashes, and if I won't be able to use it later, it will be waste of my money, and I don't want to do that. So I tried this one. This is how the eyelashes looks like. This is from the brand Cali, and this comes with the 3 different eyelashes. It comes with the glue right here, which is really good. I think I have not used eyelashes today, but when I'll do the makeup tutorial with all the Amazon product, I will definitely use this eyelashes. I have heard a very good review of this particular brand when it comes to fake lashes. I do wanted to try few of the eyelashes, so I was like, let's try something which is cheap. I got this for 250 rupees, guys. Was on sale or not, I'm not sure, but I got this for 250 rupees, and इसका MRP प्राइस है 628. सो इसका बैंड वगैरह मुझे ज़्यादा थिक नहीं लगा जो आपको इरिटेट करे या कुछ. मैंने इसको एक बार निकाल के देखा है, and it is not irritating. I am triggering to use this one. This is the most lightest one amongst the 3. You can definitely try this out. I will wear it once and I will give you my final verdict on this. You can go for it if you want to try the fake lashes in the budget. Definitely try this brand. They do have a lot of different options as well, but I'm a beginner in terms of fake lashes, so I wanted to try very small pack, so I got this one. Last but not the least, in terms of a makeup fixer, I wanted to try something super affordable, so I went and go ahead with the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. This is how the makeup fixer outer packaging looks like. It is very similar to Blue Heaven makeup fixer, that's what I heard, but I'm not sure. This is how the inner packaging of the fixer looks like. It is infused with aloe vera and vitamin E, so it might be good. I have never used a makeup fixer from Blue Heaven. This is my first bottle. I will definitely give you my updated review on this when I do the tutorial, so stay tuned for that. That's it for this video, guys. If you like the video, please give this a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Please do give me a follow on my Instagram. Here's my handle right here. I will surely post the tutorial using all this product on YouTube super soon, so stay tuned for that. Until I see you next time, bye guys.